Hey, good looking. I'm so glad that you came to my kitchen today because it is tailgating and touchdown Thursdays, and boy, do I have one hell of a tailgating recipe for you today. Today, I'm going to sit there and show you how easy it is to make your very own pig wings. That's right, I said pig wings. So grab a hold of that vine and swing onto my kitchen and let's get cooking. Good looking. Pig wings, huh? That's right. I'm gonna sit there and show you how to make a pig wings. But first, I need to bring in a very special assistant, but I was asked not to put his face or any other part of his body besides his hands in the video. So I have to respect my son's wishes. Okay, to make the pig wings, go ahead and grab some turkey drumsticks. We're going to get them out of the package and my son's going to take it over from there. Okay, I'm going to let my son take it from here. Now he's cutting all along the bottom and he's going to be sitting there basically pulling the knuckle part of the drumstick all off. Hard to believe I used to do this at one time. It kind of helps if you have a towel or something on the end to grab that, yeah, and pull that part all off. I just got done cooking up the whole turkey. Now, I'm going to sit there and grab a hold of these turkey legs, and we're just going to sit there and put them into our Instapots. So, I'm going to go ahead and grab that. Now, there's seasoning and everything from doing the whole turkey, so I'm not going to add any more seasonings. Go ahead, grab your cover. Put your cover on, close it. Make sure you close your vent. We're going to come down here and we're going to cancel out and we're going to come up to the manual. And we're going to sit there and push the time for 20 minutes. And after the 20 minutes, it will sound off. And we're going to sit there and then let this do a natural release. And oh yeah, make sure that you have the vent up on the top in the closed position. Okay, and basically for our pig wing sauce, you're gonna sit there and basically need a mixture of some like Frank's hot sauce or sriracha is what I'm using here. You're gonna be needing some melted butter. I'm gonna go ahead and melt that. And you're going to be needing some barbecue sauce. Well, I had to run to my pantry and I have to grab out another jar because I did not have quite enough in my jar for this recipe, so no problem. Just run to my little mini grocery store and grab one off the shelf. So basically what you would do is melt your butter, and basically it's really simple. You would just sit there, add your barbecue sauce. You would sit there, add your sriracha or your Frank's hot sauce, and now just go ahead and give all that a good mixing. And then as soon as this is all mixed up and our pig wings are done, we're going to sit there and give them a good coating, and we're going to sit there and take these and put the pig wings all underneath the broiler and get a good crispy crust going on the skins, and give the sauce here a chance to sit there and get a little crispy goodness going on as well. So I'll see you when we're all ready. And there you go, basically that's our pig wing sauce. If it released all of its pressure, it has. Open it up. Always open it up away from you, that way you do not get any steam burns. Now get some tongs, bring out your naked pig wings, put them down on your baking sheet, because we're going to be rubbing some of that hog sauce all over them. I have one more. And here they are. Now, that sauce that we made up earlier, go ahead, get yourself some. And I just start drizzling it over the tops. And I just keep doing it until they're all covered. And then I'm going to take them over to the hot oven and put them underneath the broiler and crisp up all this good hot sauce that we're putting over the top of them. And then it's time to eat. So I'll see you when I'm all done. And there they are. I covered them all up with all of the sauce that I did make. Now let's take them over and place them underneath the hot broiler. Let's take them right out of the hot oven. And there you go. There's your pig wings. So, if you liked what you saw here today, give me a big old thumbs up. If you're a new subscriber to my channel, hey, welcome to my channel. And if you're not yet a subscriber, go up, hit that subscribe button, tap that little bell. That way you'll always be notified every time I do put on a new video. And most of all, thank you for taking the time to watch my video, and here's to happy cooking, but better yet, happy eatings. Y'all come back now. here. Now, I'm going to sit there and just give it a quick little taste test because a little piece here fell off. And right here I have some ranch dressing. I put them in a little dish. And let's go ahead and let's give this baby a taste test. I'm in hog heaven.